There are people who wonder about two things. Are you headed to brick and mortar?
You know, I get asked this question a lot, and the answer is we would love to, but only if we can have a truly differentiated idea. So one of the things that we don't do very well at Amazon is do a Me Too product offering. So when I look at physical retail stores, it's very well served. The people who operate physical retail stores are very good at it, and so it's the question we would always have before we would embark on such a thing is, what's the idea? What would we do that would be different? How would it be better? We don't want to just do things because we can do them. We want to do something because we don't want to be redundant.
What have you worried about that might be a change agent to your business? Well, in terms of being a threat to your survival.
One of the things that we think about it every time we see a big new phenomenon. We try to figure out how
tablets like that.
Mobile, tablets for sure, but mobile in general,
okay.
Smartphones, tablets. We definitely think about mobile. Is this good for our business? Is it bad for our business? Or is there something we can be inspired by? Social networks, we look at that too. We say, is there some way that this could inspire us to do something in the e-commerce arena?
Or it could give birth to things that could challenge you in terms of where you are.
Absolutely. Now, it turns out on the mobile side, what we see so far is encouraging is that it's kind of a tailwind for our business because, people can take a tablet like the Kindle Fire or the iPad or any other tablet, and they can lean back on their sofa and shop on Amazon. It's a behavior we encourage, by the way. But we have to pay attention to that. We have to make sure that we're building the right apps for people. And we've taken an unusual approach with our Kindle bookstore, which is that not only can you read, when you buy a Kindle book, not only can you read it on Kindle hardware, but you can read it on every platform. You can read it on your
synchronization or something.
iPad, yeah, we call it WhisperSync.
Yeah, WhisperSync,
and we have it.
Right.
You can read it on your
so you can take
iOS
traveling
device.
when you get back home. If you have another Kindle somewhere else, you can pick up where you were.
If you're in line at the grocery store and you want to read a few pages on your iPhone, you do that. When you get back home, it syncs up with your Kindle.
Or if you're watching my show in one place, you can watch it on another place.
Exactly.
Pick up exactly where the conversation
True story.
was. Join us online at charlierose.com.